Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Now you need to open it. Click at the bottom right corner, choose Settings, click I accept, and customize it however you need to. When you're done, click at the top right corner, bottom one again, and choose this time Set as Live Wallpaper. Click Set As and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!